Hi, I'm Bhavani, Solutions Consultant from Strands. Strands is a FinTech software company, part of the CRIF Group, which develops AI-driven solutions for financial institutions to help increase customer engagement and generate new revenues through the digital channels. Did you know that over 90% of SME customers feel that they are not being treated fairly by their banks, and up to 50% would consider switching due to the lack of personalization? This accelerates a massive opportunity to help and grow our SMEs with the confidence of making data-driven decisions. I'm going to show you how Strands can help banks to empower SMEs to manage their cash flow, account receivables and payables, while having opportunities to engage and provide next best offers with our business financial management solution, better known as BFM, coupled with Engager solution. In this demo, I'm the bank, and here's my customer John's dashboard. This is a holistic view of all his accounts with Strands Open Hub, fetching this data from a third-party open banking account aggregator. To add more account, I'll just simply have to go to Settings, Connections, Bank Account, and here it is as an option for all the other accounts that John could add into his dashboard. While this is convenient for John to view all his bank accounts in a single app, I, as the bank providing this solution, have the consent to know which other competitor products John holds. Now, that's a rich insight for me to strategize on increasing my wallet share. Now, back to the dashboard, scrolling to the right shows the status of all the different bank accounts that John holds, but let's take a look at it from a holistic perspective. Today, looking at John's balance, it's looking good. This chart here shows the view of his daily balance and the past and the projected balance in the future. If I were to scroll further to the 21st, I do see a little warning. Clearly, 21st is not looking good for John. It says that his global liquidity could be compromised. Hence, I'm offering him a lending option immediately to help him while increasing the chances of conversion because I'm offering John the right product at the right time. With Engager, I'm able to forecast and provide an offer driven by his profile, behavior, credit score, and other relevant attributes. Offers are dynamic and personalized for every customer depending on their attribute values, while presenting an opportunity for me to upsell at the right time. Let's click on this little bar chart icon at the bottom to view John's cash flow, showing his income, expenses, and net cash flow on a monthly basis. These are accumulated from the past and upcoming scheduled transactions, such as direct debits, manually added or forecasted transactions to help John project his account status in months to come. While we're here, there's a little suggestion here given by Engager to have an invoice reconciled. Engager is basically taking matching data between an invoice that John has issued and a payment that John has received into his account. This certainly helps with effective invoice management. And while I have John multitasking on my platform, it does help me to have my customer increase stickiness and retention. They would stay with me because they can do many other things apart from banking on my platform. Dealing with multiple systems is not only time consuming and prone to human error. With BFM, John can now manage his account receivable, payables, and integrate to the third-party invoicing solutions as shown here. If John does not have an account with any of these integrators, I'm also able to provide John an invoicing solution within BFM. I'm going to show you exactly where that is. I'm going to go to Track, and here's Invoicing. The second from the bottom item that says Create Invoice or Bill does exactly what it says. And here I'm going to show you some of the invoices that John has already created. Here's a list of invoices that are overdue in red, pending in gray, and paid in blue. Let's take a look at one of the invoices and see what else John can do. John can basically click on options and look into either marking it as paid, reconciling this invoice with a payment, or even sharing this invoice with a recipient through any of these communication channels that's available on this device. While I provide John a convenient platform for banking and beyond, I'm also reducing his effort dependency on other platform while gaining his satisfaction, increasing his engagement on my platform and loyalty to my bank. Now let's also take a look at how else Engager helps customer like John and the bank too. Engager helps the bank understand the customers, educate, create awareness, and monetize while being completely customer-centric, hence increasing revenue and customer lifetime value. Let's go through another example of an Engager offer that John receives. Now let's take a look at this. If you see on my screen, the first option here, solutions, it says, hey, congrats, your business has been growing 25% consecutively in the last 3 months. Clearly, this is good news for John. And business growth is also something that I, as the bank, understand that John's getting more money from his business. So offering him a premium savings product obviously is a win-win situation for both John and I, because it helps him make money from his money while I am able to retain John as my long-term happy customer. Now with that, it wraps up my demo. And what I have shown you today is how easily Strands enable banks to help their SMEs to manage their cash flow, account receivables and payments, providing them personalized offers all from a single platform, while being able to monetize, increase their engagement, satisfaction, and retention rates. As the industry leader in the space, we can help you to help your customers and scale according to your needs. Visit www.strands.com today. Thank you.